grown-ups, welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith, and this is your weekly update. This week, your kids will see a Test Tube Tuesday video, a Thoughtful Thursday video, and a Standout story video on Saturday. On Tuesday, we'll be talking all about stalactites and stalagmites and how they're formed, and then your kids will get to make their own. On Thursday, we'll talk about how much fun it is to see art in people's windows as we go on our neighborhood walks. And so your kids will get to make art that will delight passersby and also delight you in your house as you can see this from both sides. And on Saturday, we'll be reading Bartholomew and the Oobleck, and your kids will get to make their very own Oobleck as we talk about non-Newtonian fluids. All of the supplies required for all of these activities are right below this video, and they're listed on the individual videos as well. Thank you so much. Have a great week.